What is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you find any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis. And make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible. So as you can see right here, we have 1 inch with the Tether token. Basically, 1 inch right now is sitting at a price of around $3.50. Today we are up 40 cents, or approximately 12.5% upside move for 1 inch today. What's going on? let's see. Overall, a lot of things are moving on right here, so I will delete some of the things right there. And with the prediction, see how we move. See what do we have right there. Yeah, actually this was well predicted. I said that we have a head and shoulders move right there, and now we're pushing to the upside. Great, well played, GG bro. So what's going on right now? Let's just delete these. As you can see, we passed these lines, we passed them. See, now we're way up there, so I think that right now we're starting a beautiful bullish trend. So I think that we'll be adding a line right there, right here as support, because I think that we will not be reaching that level. We may, but for a long time right now, no. So yeah, we may just bounce off of it and start pushing to the upside again. So in this case, this is the thing that I think will be going on and will be happening right now. So let me just put it in your perspective. So this is what I think will be happening. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. I think that I'm pretty happy with how this is moving right now, and I think that right now we're on a move, on a way up. So yeah, we'll be adding another line right here. I'm happy for the people who had the opportunity to buy right there. I told you guys this is the buy zone, and when we're close to that, just put 1/3 of your money, 1/4, even 1/5. You never know. You feel me? And just not put all your money on that one dip. Like, it's never too late to get in, because how do they say, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. So make sure you don't miss on this opportunity. And yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is basically it. Let me know what are your thoughts about it, and if you just want to support my channel, smash that like button. Only do that because it means a lot to me. And if you want to earn some free money, go to the description down below, and peace out guys.